Hi, my name is Joanne. In this episode, let me introduce to you our new Epson Label Editor mobile app. It is designed to make on-demand labeling easy, fun and fast. This app is compatible with Epson Labelworks label printers, so you can easily create and print labels on the go. It saves time and helps you focus on more important tasks. Let's explore your options for achieving it. Epson Label Editor mobile app is free to download from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Ensure your Epson Labelworks label printer is on and tape cartridge is loaded into the label printer. You can choose to connect to your label printer either directly or over an existing wireless network that it is already connected to. Here, I have already set up the wireless connection mode to Wi-Fi Direct. To connect Label Editor Mobile to the label printer, tap the printer icon on the top left corner. Choose Connect Wi-Fi. Select the correct label printer model name. The app is now connected to your Epson label printer and you can start creating your labels. Users who need to create labels to manage printed paper documents should use the table function in Epson Label Editor mobile app. To begin, launch Label Editor mobile app. Select New Label from the main menu. This will bring us to a blank label on the label creation workspace. From here, scroll along at the bottom of the toolbar and select Table. You can start editing the individual cells by double-tapping on it. When you are done, tap on Print to print out the labels. A proper label can be used to both indicate the important information and to help you remember what is inside. If your warehouse inventory items are kept for a long period of time, the paper material may change under different environmental conditions, and information may become unreadable. As such, you are required to keep track and refresh the inventory items. Let me show you how Epson Label Editor Mobile scan function can help you achieve it quickly. In a new label, select Scan at the bottom of the toolbar. Hold your smartphone near to the barcode scan area and the app will detect it quickly. The barcode is now scanned to the label creation workspace and you are ready to tap on Print. Additionally, users can use the new image function in Epson Label Editor mobile app to create their very own label design. Firstly, take a photo of the design you just created. Next, go to Epson Label Editor mobile app. Select New Label followed by Image from the bottom of the toolbar. Upload the image of your choice from Photo Library inside your smartphone and tap on OK. Lastly, adjust image accordingly using the Position tab. Once previewed in the label creation workspace, tap on Print on the bottom right of the app to print out the labels. This function is so effective because it gives you complete control over the label styles you want to design. It's also hassle-free as it only requires a few steps to achieve this. All you have to do is let your imagination run wild. For those who want to create QR code labels, here are the steps using the Epson Label Editor mobile app. Select 2D from the bottom of the toolbar, tap on QR code. Paste your company link into the text box and a QR code will automatically be generated and appear in the label creation workspace. After adjustments are done, tap on Print to print the labels out. QR code labels are essential for branding purposes as they enhance your marketing efforts. It's one of a great way to increase brand exposure if done well. To save the newly created labels in Epson Label Editor mobile app, tap on Save at the bottom left, rename the label and tap on OK. Label file is now saved under the saved label in the main menu. This feature is useful if you need to reuse or edit the same label file. Simply open the Label Editor mobile app to edit and print labels anytime. Label sharing is a new feature in Epson Label Editor mobile app that allows you to share saved label files with others via mobile chat application, email, and your preferred cloud services. Let me share how this is done. Select Save Label in the main menu. Tap and hold onto the file you wish to share. Once the green arrow on the right appears, tap on Share at the bottom right. The other user can download into their smartphone storage and open the same file from File Reference inside Epson Label Editor mobile app to send for print. We hope you learned something new about Epson Label Editor mobile app from this session and how label management can easily help your business organization by improving your workspace and enhance productivity. Thank you and see you soon.